Yes, so you still there on top was Zobia TV for Star Times 195. And inside the building, we get one Ogbonge Oga, we don't deal with us. This person, a policy analyst, that means a person where they chook eye into every with the inside Webodo. And for inside 2007, in don't be presidential candidate for one of the Ogbonge parties there for inside Naija, where we did. So, gentlemen, I be not too much gree for inside the matter. They gonna help me do it. Welcome, Oga Galtima Liman inside the building. Bros, we welcome you.
Good morning. Thank you very much, Kedu. Yeah, how are you?
Abi Kedu? This one, I want to say, yes, so Oga Alaji Galtima Liman, welcome to our show today. All right, make we start to the hit on top make we hit the nail for the head. You know, say now where we don't prepare for elections generally. For the time where you been contest for presidency for 2007 to this 2014, we know say like a couple of elections done dey the middle. You think say we don't ready? I be waiting there the difference between the time where una they compete and now.
We'll be ready. The only problem is say security wahala don't come. Now Uncle Jonathan Goodluck, they try to see how he go bring peace, quiet for country. President self, Senate, they hold meeting, begin to think whether say emergency rule go there place.
For some places,
for inside the wahala. So this wahala, Boko Haram wahala now, if it clear for election to take place.
You know, say our INEC people, they don't begin, they do this voters registration. And a lot of issues don't come up onto the matter. Some people go say they're never ready, they don't see their name, and all these kind of things. You think say this framework, no be the thing where we go build election on top?
I listened to Jega, the chairman for INEC. He comes say, in spite of difficulty where he comes see for ground, better go still there. Even so, the Lagos come complain say, that means about 1.4 million voter card. They never see.
They never see.
But he can't give us confidence. Say he be professor. If he deal with this situation on ground. So make you begin to shine our eyes now.
So as politician, you they tell us say you believe in this particular regime where they, because it be like everything you just you agree say that they work.
You see, Nigeria is a great country. People say you go Dabaru before 2015. Now 2015 don't come. We still there pancake for ground. And they look at each other for face now. Even they say where I come from, Medjugorje, begin to speak Igbo. And they ask you, "Bikono kedu ife na chokedo baka?"
This one a remix.
Okay, you know, say you be analyze the 2014 budget, the time where the Minister of Finance Ngozi Okoji-Iweala bring and come out, because she be talk say one of the things where they want to do for that budget now to create jobs for our Nigerian people, because over 80% of Nigerians now no get work. Now 2015,
no be 18% of Nigerians. Nigerians get
80
job.
million. Now they mean 80 million Nigerians.
They get job.
They get work.
They get job. The only thing is say na informal sector. They know they can't put it inside paper.
Inside paper.
Now we won't tell Ngozi say if she won't create job day. Now I go give small fund. Because they interview Nigerians.
Like small, like medium, small people that way they do their own personal business.
Nigerians don't get wahala. Look, even this Akara ball sellers now, they sit down, they chop up this obole, what you call it?
Bole.
Sit down with them and say, look, if we go feed get 20,000, they're okay for us. We feed make 5,000 per day. Now better money now. Now that sector saying Ngozi go chook and eye, begin to see what in they happen for the informal sector. We know they're inside book.
Inside book.
That's the problem. Nigeria get job. They only say small money, nobody they give them.
That I got the one where Galtima they talk, because they say many of the times that we they focus on people them where they talk office work, skilled workers. But we get majority of Nigerians that their own personal business now they do. But you know, say this time around when it comes to money and budget. And things, we they think of this importation.
See, no country move forward. They begin to bring things from another import country. Now what you get
for inside here,
for inside yourself, you begin to look, you begin to carry as they call an export. Now when you carry and go or import country, you make money. Foreign exchange, that's they call it. Now so your country progress. You go get what in they call shipping, where I work for the place, for the shipping. Nigeria no get ship now. Wahala don't come. Because you don't get ship, you don't go see what in they happen for outside.
See for outside.
And now I ask you, you they work for Emirates? Because I see the Emirates.
Their logo not there.
Because now when they come, when they bring their aircraft, they collect Nigeria money, and then convert it dollar. Now you become rich. Why Nigeria aircraft? They said. Why Nigeria ship?
Wow.
Now the money they come. And even say the oil now. Nobody say you go carry them as a day. They sell them, go in both country. They begin to look up. I feed do, what you call this one? Aviation fuel for aircraft. I feed do kerosene. I feed do, we know they do more. Even the one way the local people they do, the hunters go, the JTF go, Dabaru, everything. So you don't get refinery.
But what do you feel say they stop us from getting our refinery? Because we get this oil. This oil, when we get them, they carry and go,
now football match. Now football match. The other country go chook eye now. If they refine, they go make more money. You go
and they can't sell them back to us.
You go agree. You go get, now you go look yourself now and say, Nigeria, make we become one people now. Begin to look what we get. God give us. Make we begin to add value for it. Now Jesus say, people perish for want of knowledge.
Lack of knowledge.
And not knowledge where they do things now.
But what do we go fit do, like, way forward for our policy makers? Because this one not be things where we go just say, now head knowledge, now we go take do.
Now, first of all, to love ourselves. We know they love ourselves. Begin to look what in, this one na Malam. This one, whether I said this one na Yoruba. No country, they move forward. Now, for America, now you get Mexico, you get Latino, you got Black America, they put head together. When you put head together, you say, okay, what we go do for international football match for the economy? For international, because the whole world now, they look, Japan, they look, China, they look. Even Papa and Jamaica say, we get oil now, they look. So now you go say, make we begin to put, a house divided cannot stand on. Now the Bible comes say now.
Whoa.
Wow. Wow. Anyway, you get another thing we say, not be only oil we get for Nigeria here. We get other things. We get
cow self, you feel refine cow. See cow way balance.
They very careful and make they give preference to one another, so that we no go get big for road. And if you just join us, we get Galtima Liman inside our building, policy analyst and also presidential candidate for inside our Bunga election for 2007. How would they talk about the way forward? Way forward now they talk about the very first thing where they talk before we go on break. We say we need to come together as a people and be united first. Now,
I just listened to the radio program, I mean the traffic program.
Yeah, the traffic report.
Now, knowledge you go use drive the economy. Now, see Lagos now water town. Me, they come from shipping, from inside water. You fit go Netherlands, fit sit down with them, begin to talk about how you go use water system.
Yes.
You go bring NPA, Nigerian Port Authority. You go bring the NIMASA, make them sit down to unite. Nigerians know they talk among themselves.
When we sit down, they talk.
Because God, the way He make the world, you go give somebody technology. You go give them somebody oil. Now when you sit down, you will begin to say, okay, like, Madam, make I bring soup or crayfish day. Vegetable day. Salt day. Madam go use temperature now, go use gas, begin to use this. If you get gas, they go do soup. It's not possible now. So Nigeria now, you need to have Malam bring cow. You say before you go put your hand inside oil money, you begin to ask this skin where the cow get now. Yes, you don't carry and go Italy. What are the horn where you carry? They begin to choke people now. They use them for button. Now money now button.
Yes.
Original button now money. What have the cheese where they see for supermarket now? This cheese or this thing they call chuku. When I be small from Guru now better meal or they give me a body kakaraka. We know they use them now. The same thing.
Wow. All right, if you just join us, you don't miss, not be small. But we need to say a very big thank you to Galtima Liman. Thank you very much. Say you stop by. And we hope say this time where election the day, we're not gonna let you rest for house. Because you go the day with us, go they follow them bumper to bumper. Bumper to bumper. All right, we go back small shikili break. By the time we will come back, we get one lifestyle where we will give you. When we come back, Good Morning Naija show is still they continue.